How to change language in honor of kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your language setting in Honor of Kings game step by step. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device and wait for the lobby screen to fully load. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to click the language option at the bottom, and then you'll see different language options you can select from. To change your display language, go to the language option at the top left and then choose the language you want to change to. Before choosing the language, you'll need to download the language package. Click the download button right next to the language you want to select and click on confirm. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and once it is downloaded, you'll need to restart the game. Tap on confirm and this will also change the chat language in your display. Now you'll be able to see that you have successfully changed the display language setting in Honor of Kings. So that is how you super easily do it. The interface, menu and everything displayed should now be displayed in your chosen language. That's how you successfully change the language setting in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.